Home refrigerators versus cold rooms. Exploring the differences between everyday refrigerators and commercial cold storage solutions. Family refrigerator. Commercial cold room. Used daily for storing groceries and fresh foods. Stores bulk food deliveries for hotel kitchens and supermarkets. Refrigerators and cold rooms, what's the difference? Purpose of use. Home refrigerators serve daily family needs. Cold rooms handle large-scale food storage for commercial operations. Home daily use, hotel bulk storage. Refrigerators fit a few days' worth of food for families. Cold rooms store large volumes for commercial needs. Size comparison. Refrigerators are compact kitchen appliances. Cold rooms are large walk-in spaces with shelves for bulk storage. Home refrigerator. Cold room. Small appliance, family food storage, fits in kitchen. Walk-in room, commercial storage, stores thousands of kilograms. Refrigerators are compact units. Cold rooms are large enough to walk into, designed for storing vast amounts of food. Storage capacity comparison. Refrigerators fill quickly with few grocery bags. Cold rooms hold hundreds of boxes with ample space. Home refrigerator has small capacity. Cold room offers very large capacity. Refrigerators suit family needs. Cold rooms support storage for hundreds to thousands of people. Refrigerator temperature. 2 to 5 degrees Celsius suits daily food storage. Cold room temperature zones. Specialized areas include vegetables at 2 degrees, meat at 0, freezer -18, and ice cream at -25 degrees Celsius. Refrigerators maintain 2 to 5 degrees Celsius. Cold rooms have multiple zones tailored for different food types. Electricity use comparison. One refrigerator uses minimal power. 20 refrigerators consume more electricity than a single cold room with commercial refrigeration. 20 refrigerators versus one cold room. Although a single refrigerator uses less electricity, powering many units is less efficient than one commercial cold room system. Installation, simple plug-in versus complex professional setup. Cold room construction. Panels assembled, doors installed, refrigeration equipment connected, electrical wiring and lighting completed, with finished blowing clean. Refrigerator cleaning. Cold room maintenance. Basic family cleaning and upkeep. Regular technical inspections and system maintenance. Refrigerators need basic cleaning. Cold rooms require regular professional maintenance for safety and efficiency. Cost. Home refrigerator affordable. Cold room large investment. Investing in cold rooms. Successful hotels serving guests, showing benefits of cold room investment for smooth business operations. Final feature comparison. Refrigerators excel in daily use, compact size, and affordability. Cold rooms provide large capacity, multiple temperature zones, and support commercial needs efficiently. Which is better? It depends on your needs. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more on refrigeration and engineering. Subscribe now. Stay cool, stay informed.